Alright, now, today let's understand the concept of FIDO2 in authentication methods. Imagine unlocking your bike with a smart key that prove it's really yours without requiring a secret code, just like here. In Microsoft Security, FIDO2 works the same way by using hardware security keys or biometrics to let users sign in without passwords. These credentials are bound to the device, making them resistant to phishing or credential theft. By adopting FIDO2, organizations enable fast, passwordless, and highly secure authentication for their applications and data. Let's meet in our next lecture.